What's up mga kabites? It's your resident biter, Rear Bites. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, this is part 2 of my Red Rock Hot Spring vlog for today. And I was gonna attempt doing push-ups dun sa baba. Kaso may customers, I wanted to do it by the pool sana. Kaso here we are at the building sa hotel. So I'm on the fourth floor, the roof deck that I pointed out earlier. And I'm gonna attempt to do 100 push-ups for Red Rock Hot Spring. Tingnan natin kung kayanan ko siya. Pero syempre hindi sunod-sunod yun ha. Ano lang, parang hanggat sa kaya lang. So parang at a time, a few push-ups at a time. Pero kailangan kong tapusin yung 100 kung kaya. Pero kung hindi, edi 20 na lang. Charot. Ayun lang, wait. At saka dito lang ako sa lapag. As you can see, ang ganda ng view natin here sa Red Rock Hot Springs. So again, this is the rooftop. Andyan yung medyo bukid-bukid area. Pero I chose this backdrop for you today para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung aming bukirin dito sa Valencia Negros Oriental. And yeah. So let's do push-ups. Wait lang, paano ko ba siya gagawin? Kailangan ko ng lagayan para sa aking tuhod. Hindi ko kakayanan yata yung walang para sa tuhod. Eto kaya. Naghahanap ako guys ng mga para sa tuhod ko para hindi naman masyadong masakit. Ayun, eto. May nahanap ako agad. So, eto yung gagamitin ko for my tuhod. Shock! Sana magandang angle. Medyo malambot naman siya kasi medyo rough to eh. Itong sa building mismo. So, ito yung para sa hands ko, yung aking Crocsy. Let's do our push-ups. First attempt. Siguro kaya ko sa first mga 10. Try natin. Oh yeah, kailangan kong mag-chest day ulit kasi hindi na ako nakaka-workout. Oh my gosh, ever since time on vacation, wala na. I forgot my workout na. Kahit may Anytime Fitness dito sa Dumaguete, di ko nakakapunta kasi malayo. Oh my gosh, it's so sad. Parang ang weird ng grip ko. Ayan, push up pa more. Push up pa more. Ay, kaya pala. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Oh my God, 50 lang. Shit, 50 lang. Let's do another 50. In a while, wait lang. I'm so hulas na. Look, I'm dripping. I'm not sure if you can see. While I'm dripping. Dapat 10 seconds lang yung rest in between push-ups. But I'm not Frank. Frank is my coach. And Frank is a literal Superman. He used to torture me. But right now, he's an online coach for me. So he can't see me do more than 10 seconds of rest. But I'm supposed to see him uh, during this short vacation. So sana magkita kami, maybe this Saturday. I'm already dripping. 50. I'm already dripping. 50 push-ups pa lang yun. How much more kung matapos yung 100? Fuck. Try natin i-change yung angle. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, oh my god, that's 80 push-ups already. Fuck. That's 80 push-ups. 80 push-ups. Feeling ko matatapos ko siya. Tingnan muna natin yung ating time. Oh, 6 minutes. Shucks. Look at me. I'm dripping wet. Let's try to finish the 100 push-ups. Fuck. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh my god, 100 push-ups for Red Rock Hot Spring. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm about to die. Charot. Ang okay ko. Kaya naman siya. Nagawa ko naman to dati. Actually, dati, pinapagawa sa akin ng Frank. Ni Frank is 200 push-ups. After my chest workout, yun na. Ito kasi, wala akong ginawang workout before. So, alam ko kakayanin ko siya. Pero look, I'm so hulas. Oh my God. May stair access na pala dito for emergency exit. Ang taray ah. So, dyan ako dumaan kanina. Pakita ko sa inyo yung pababa. Pero, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung view. Ito yung view. So, this is the sa baba kanina. Andyan ako nag-vlog kanina. Yung part 1. Pag makita nyo yung part 1, lagay ko yung link sa baba. Pero look at the bukid. It's so beautiful. It's so maganda. And then, this is the highway. Ayan yung highway, yung kanina. Andyan yung resort sa right side. So, dati makikita mo pa yung pool. Ayan, may small bit. Diyan sa may bandang gitna yung pool. Andyan yung entrance namin. Pero yes. Look at me, I'm so hulas. I'll take you sa baba para makita niyo yung mismong hotel. So, ayun lang siya. Ang ganda talaga ng bukid na yan. It reminds me of Avatar. Hindi yung Avatar Airbender. Yung isang Avatar. Yung Lost World something. So, ganun siya. So beautiful. So beautiful. It's breathtaking. Charot, breathtaking. Breathtaking yung push-ups. So, wait lang. Let's make baba. So, we're here. This is from the 4th floor. This is the 3rd. Hi. Hi. Hi, good morning, guys. Look at me. I did push-ups. I did 100 push-ups. Look,
100 what?
push-ups.
100 push-up upstairs?
Yeah. So this is the third floor. Bye-bye, bye-bye. See you later, ah. This one is the second floor. And then, let's make sa baba pa more. This is the first floor na. I'll show you Felix before I wrap up. Hi, Felix. Felix is sleeping. Hi, Felix. Baby. Baby. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you. Ayun lang, that's it for today's vlog. If you haven't yet, please do click subscribe, drop your comments, and comment nyo yung lahat yung gusto kong gawin. Kasi look at me, I did 100 push-ups. And, oh my God, where's my bag ba? I forgot where's my bag. Wait lang, where did I leave my bag? I'm so funny. Ayun lang, bye. Hanapin ko muna yung bag ko. Red Rocket Spring.